The best app for radio on Android phone. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best app for radio. So all what you have to do is go to Play Store. Now go to the top here and search for radio like this. Now scroll down until you find this app. It's called My Radio. And here you will find your local stations. As you can see, it has more than 5 million downloads and easy to use. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later, and thank you so much.